today's video is going to be a random Dollar Tree haul. I went to see if I could find some particular items, and we did good and find some other ones that we needed that we didn't know we needed, like always. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you did, thank you very much, and I will continue on with the haul. Dollar Tree, everything here I did not pick up from the plus area. Good for me. Yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is this shenanigan, a plunger. What is this called? Yeah, plunger, $1.25. This is good to have. My husband don't really like this, but sometimes we need a little help of these kind of things to have. He is a plumber and he doesn't like the plunger. He has other things, but then he gets lazy to go to his truck to get it. So this is a very handy $1.25 little thing. Yes, please. We want it. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to just like poke it out, okay? Out of the bag. Is this Sudoku Volume 3 book of Sudoku. Obviously, my older daughter picked it up. This is Sudoku. It's great for math, exercise, number exercise, get your brain working, get it done, get it working. It has from very easy to very easy, medium, then hard, then very hard, then very easy, then easy again, medium, hard, very hard, and then right at the back is solutions if you're wine workers. My younger daughter got this one. This is Modern Clay. I have gotten this before. I don't remember. I think I returned it because it is not what I thought it was. But she wanted another one that only had 3 for $1.25 in this little section, like new area. And they were pastel colors. She was smart and chose the bigger one. Okay. With that, she chose this little area. That's where the other craft. This is Curiosity, and this is Craft, and they had this little section from Craft Collective, and they had the 3 like pastel colors. It has like the rollers, literally a PCP vibe, and these little tools, $1.25. She also chose this cup. I'm thinking it's for her baby doll. You flip it up just like that. It has a straw. And $1.25. I believe they also had in blue, which I didn't see it there. I also, and she also got these Happy Valentine heart candies. This was on the Valentine area. Let me see. My other daughter got this fidget. It's called a Click and Snap fidget. It's 3 and up. It's a chain. I believe she had this already, but she doesn't remember. And then she also got this ball. It's like fidget toys kind of thing. It's like squishy and soft. It looks like Neato kind of thing. Sugar, it says satisfying squeezy or sugar smooshies jumbo ball. Look it. It self-rises. This feels like the Neato. If you go up over in Amazon, it's very expensive and it's this small. It's called a Neato ball, and it's exactly this, exactly that. So if you want to get this instead of the Neato for $14 and pay $1.25 for it, go to the dollar store. Okay, all right, now these little things I'm gonna show you at the end. I got these puzzles. They're 100-piece puzzles. I like it because look it. The gnome is super cute. The graphics is adorable. And they also had this one. Look at that. Is it the same size? I guess. It looks so cute. It's like a birthday. And this is the actual size of the puzzle. The puzzle piece. So it's kind of big. 100 pieces is very nice to have. Woohoo! There is that one. I just like the picture. Then I got these for my toilet. I usually get another brand, which is like a name brand, but it goes to the toilet. It makes your water blue. It says a toilet bowl cleaner, $1.25. It does have 2 in a pack. This is for directions to use. Do not remove protective wrapper. It is water soluble. Drop the tablet into corner of the tank away from toilet mechanism. Allow 10 minutes prior to flushing. When color disappears, replace with a new tablet. Just like this. You put it in your tank of your toilet, the water tank. Drop it in there. Stays in there. Your water becomes blue when you flush. Supposedly it cleans. Okay. The next item that I got, some of these ones are like viral, I would say, and I was lucky to find them. They had the area, this is not, but it is, okay, they had the area of the Valentines, and then they had the area of St. Patrick. St. Patrick doesn't get a lot of a woohoo kind of thing, but yeah. I found these socks, Care Bears. I believe that my daughter Layla chose the Care Bears one. It's a long, big boot kind of. But look at it. It's Lucky the Care Bear. Then my other daughter got this one, Stitch. And it has a Lucky Clover as well. They're all, this is Disney. You can see that it's also large, like long. And then I found this one, Winnie the Pooh one. I've been looking for, Winnie the Pooh. I've been looking for the Disney kitchen mittens and all that shenanigans. I haven't found it. I haven't been lucky enough. And this has clover leaves all over. It's like more green. And then Winnie the Pooh is kind of like sitting there. I don't know, wishing upon a star. Okay, the next items were these little fans. These little fans, I believe they also had it in another color. I was just lucky enough to find these. Now, these little fans are a whooping $1.25 as well. I want these. It's by Be Pure. I want this for traveling. And I just want it. It saves time, it's compatible, and it's lightweight. This is how it looks. Just like that. Very handy dandy. It's on the hand. It's on and off button. Of course, you need batteries. And I believe you need 2 of them. I could be wrong. It feels heavy like it has batteries, but I don't think it requires. Oh, it requires 1 AA battery. Not included. 1 AA battery, not included. This looks like, I thought it was going to be blue, but it kind of looks like lavender. I like it. I saw one there that it was without the box, and I like it. This is for traveling. I like it because it's lightweight. Sometimes you need it because you feel terrible when it's super hot. You need the little flow in there, you know what I mean? Then I found these. Now these, I got these. There were a bunch of them, but I'm going to try it because about skincare and these kind of things, I don't know if I'm sure to get it. It's by Orchid, non-medicated acne patches, reduces inflammation of sore soils and residue, has 24 hydraulic patches, just like that. And it look like these. I believe they have 2 sizes. Can you see? That tiny one and this one. They had a bunch. I can see through here. Like, I can see the little patches there. And it says there's 24. I'm going to try it. Give it a go. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yes, it's $1. I saw this one in Vivian Tries. Do you follow her on YouTube? And that's where I got it. They only had 2. Only 2. They had the pink one and this purple one. I got this one for also travel. It's literally a bottle sprayer, but this has more continuous spray. It's mist spray bottle. $1.25 is if you press it. The other ones you press it, you let go, and then this one you press it and it dissolves like that. I like it, so I got that one, purplish. I also got this one. Now, I don't remember if this the one. I don't think it is. If this is the viral one or not. They had a bunch of them. I had 2 on my cart, and I eventually took one out because I found this one, which I think this is the the one that is more viral, the Brazilian mist. They only have in that one. This one, it smells divine as well. It doesn't last. It's $1. And this is their deodorant. Looks like that. And they had a few of these as well, Brazilian mist. Now this right here, don't hurt yourself. Twist it and pop it out. Don't be crazy. I can see what they're saying. I can see it's nice. It's aluminum free deodorant. This is for her. So for her Brazilian mist. And it's this whopping size. It's a nice size. Nice size. Okay. Okay, the other thing was this one. They're trying to dupe somebody here. They also had the night cream. I want to try this one because I just want to try this one. This is compared to Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream, $1.25. And it has formulated with vitamin B3, B5, aminopeptide, hyaluronic acid, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Yes. It looks very much like the Olay. I had the Olay, so I know what it means. And the Olay has it's a very nice container. It's also glass. That's how it looks. And it has this much of product. Yep, just like that. It doesn't really have an order, which this one a tiny bit. The night cream one did say night cream and did say order free. So this one might have a little tiny little odor to, like a little smell to it, but who knows. Okay, now these, I believe I have seen, this is the only ones that I found, and I found this one first. Look at this. This is a dupe. Woo! This is a dupe from Bubble, I believe that's the brand. Yay, skincare stuff. I got two of those because there were the 2 left there. My daughter wants one, I want one. It's this by Global Beauty Care. This is a cleansing daily face wash for all skin types, fragrance free, not tested on animals, and it's a 3 ounce 90 millimeters. It has cucumber, aloe vera, green tea. Wet your face, apply into your hands, add some water and work into lather. Massage gently around your face and then rinse off. Just like that. Okay. I like the color pastels and all that. I like that it's sealed. I like items like these because people be putting on their little finger in there and seal. I like that. Now this one I haven't checked. This one, hopefully, oh well, look at it. It's like watery. I don't think nobody put their finger in there, but who knows. This one right here, it's a moisturizing daily gel face lotion. It's tiny. It's cute. It looks like a Barbie kind of thing. This one's applied to clean skin until completely absorbs. Use daily, morning and night to smooth, hydrate, and calm skin. So you can wash your face, put on your lotion thing. You're good to go. If you want to wipe your face with either of these are also from the same brand, from Global Beauty Care. This is purifying daily cleansing wipes. Global Beauty Care cleansing wipes, and this is calming nighttime cleansing wipes. This has with lavender, melatonin, and aloe, and this has nothing. Tea tree, witch hazel, aloe vera. Nice little package. I thought they were cute. The colors, I love the little thing that they have going on. I like it a lot. So there's that item. Yep. And the last thing, I got them all because I'm crazy like that. Look at these little ducks. They are from the Disney Pixar. What do you call? This is Sully Disney. Look at that. It has the $1.25, so it is targeted for Dollar Tree from Disney. This is Solid the Duck. Mr. Mickey, can't leave him alone. And Stitch. They had Stitch. Literally Stitch. They're not duping. It's Disney. They have Pooh Bear or Winnie the Pooh. Yes. They have Donald Duck. Donald Duck with a duck. This is cute when you guys have the Hummers. You be ducking the Hummer and all that. Very cute Disney little one if you go to Disney one. And they only had 2 princesses. They had Belle and Cinderella. And they are little duckies as well. Belle and Cinderella. Yay! Now that I'm thinking about it, I wish I had gotten another Belle because my coworker, she loves Belle. So I got all of them. All of them. All the ones that were there. Am I crazy? You know it. You know it. I wish they had a Minnie Mouse because why? I don't know. It's like they had... It's the choices of the characters are kind of weird. See, they should have got all princesses, but they decided on Cinderella and Belle. They only had one Winnie the Pooh character, only Pooh Bear, and then they only had Sully. Where is the green one? I can't think of his name right now. Where is he? They had Stitch. Like, where is Lilo? You can't be giving me one character kind of thing. And Mickey and Donald kind of go together. I would have like. Maybe because Minnie just looks just like Mickey. Mickey and Donald kind of match. The princesses, those 2 princesses, I just wish they had Ariel because it's from the water like a duck. And Sully, I think Mike Wazowski. There it is. Mike Wazowski. He needed Mike Wazowski. But yeah, other than that, that is all. That's what I get. Yeah. Not the chocolate. Let's hide that. How about that? Let's hide the chocolates. And let me face it this way so you can see what I have. Yeah. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Go get yourself your Dollar Tree items, your dupes. You would be lucky if you find this because they're going bananas and bananas. I went to look for that crystal clear cup and I didn't find it. I was hoping I would find these, and I did. I specifically went just for browsing to see what I found, and I found stuff that I needed, including this thing. This is new, so thank God it wasn't on the toilet. Yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.